Friends, as a content creator, I would like to tell you that all the thumbnails I make, I create them using Canva. But many of Canva's features are paid. So in this video, I would like to tell you about Microsoft Designer, which is Canva's direct competition. And it is possible that in the coming time, Microsoft Designer becomes 10 times better than Canva. So without any delay, let's get started. Friends, to use Microsoft Designer, first of all, you have to come to designer.microsoft.com and yes, watch the video till the end because we will also create a thumbnail using Microsoft Designer. Friends, after coming here, you have to sign in with Microsoft account. If you do not have an account, then you can easily create it. After signing in, first of all, we try the image creator of Microsoft Designer, and for this we have to click on generate here, and here we write our prompt, which is a teacher teaching about artificial intelligence under the tree in the year 200 AD. Then we will click on generate, and within a minute you will get this wonderful image. Comment and tell us how did you like this image. I will download it by clicking here. Now let's try another feature of Microsoft Designer, which is generative erase. Using this feature you can erase any object or region from your image, and by clicking here I will upload an image. Now friends, I have to remove this smoke in this image. So we click on it and it will automatically detect the smoke, and if you select the brush then you can manually select it. But instead of selecting this, I select the quick select. Then we will select the smoke and then click on erase object, and the smoke has disappeared from our image. I will download it by clicking on download, and friends, you can see here on the right side that it is suggesting us some ideas, so you can try them too. Now another most important feature is removing background, which is a paid feature in Canva, but here you get it for free. However, prior to proceeding, we are going to experiment with the background blur functionality. For this, you have to first select your image, then simply click on blur background. The background of your image will be blurred like this, and if you want to remove the background from your image, then you have to click on remove background. And the good thing, friends, is that it does not spoil your image quality. Now finally, we will click on new design, and here I will write a prompt to create an Instagram post, which is an Instagram post of the cricket tournament. Then we're going to click on the generate button. Following this, my friends, it's automatically recommending a prompt to us. Hence we choose that prompt and proceed to click on generate once more. Among all these posts, this one stands out to me as the most appealing, which is why I select it. After that, we proceed to select the option to customize design, following which you are able to tailor your design accordingly. Now we should proceed to craft a thumbnail. To do this, it's necessary to compose a prompt. Take for instance, crafting a YouTube thumbnail that depicts the evolution of humans. Subsequently, initiate the generation process, and upon clicking generate, it automatically recommends a prompt for us. Consequently, we make our selection. Afterward, our next step is to click on generate once more. And you can do this until you like a design. Now for example, I select this design and click on customize design. And then from here we will customize our thumbnail. Friends, I will delete this green color by selecting it, and in appearance it does not seem equal to the size of YouTube thumbnail. So we will click on resize, then create a custom size, and here we will write the size of YouTube thumbnail, which is 1280 pixels by 720 pixels. Then we will click on continue, and now we will click on resize and replace. Now friends, suppose we want to put an image in the background. So for this we will click on visuals, then on generate, and here we generate an image by writing a prompt. And our prompt is a detailed image of a scientist investigating in the jungle. Then enter, and after that in a few seconds you will get your generated image. Now we will click on our generated image, and then you can adjust it according to your needs. After this, friends, I will generate another image for which we will have to write human evolution in an image, then enter. After this, friends, a wonderful image will be generated for us, but before putting it on the thumbnail, we will click here and set our scientist image in the background. Then we will put the newly generated human evolution image in place of this image. Something like this. It's looking good now. Now friends, we have to write text. So for this we have to click on text here, then add our heading, and after that I will write human evolution. Friends, from here you can select different font styles. After this we have to click on visual. Then from here you can select any shape. For example, I will select this shape. Now our text has moved to the back, so to correct this we will select our text and click on position, then bring to front, and after adding the shape to the thumbnail from this side, our thumbnail will look something like this. After this, you can add filter to your thumbnail by clicking on image tools and also adjust its brightness, contrast and saturation. Then finally we will download our thumbnail by clicking on download. So in this way you can also use Microsoft Designer. Friends, how did you like Microsoft Designer? And yes, do you know which tool is the father of AI video? If not, then definitely click on the video on the left, and if you found this video is informative, then like it, comment and definitely subscribe to the channel. Be the part of my journey. Thank you so much for watching.